girls and boys, we'll begin our second story. This one is also by Thornton W. Burgess, and the name of it is Adventures with Whitefoot the Woodmouse. Winter has come to the green forest, and everything is covered deep in snow. Oh, excuse me. There. Now everything is covered deep in snow. Johnny Chuck is hibernating, and all of the other animals are either snuggled up in their homes or out searching for food. And now, Adventures with Whitefoot the Woodmouse.
Hi, Jimmy Skunk.
Peter, I didn't see you. Where'd you come from?
Oh, I've been here a long time. I'm waiting for my friend, Whitefoot the Woodmouse.
Oh, well, weren't you brown last time I saw you?
Yeah, last time you saw me, my fur was brown like the dried leaves. Now my coat is white like the snow.
Oh, well, you know, that makes it pretty hard for me to see you.
That's the whole idea, Jimmy Skunk. I'm hiding from my enemies.
Oh, yeah, that. Well, I don't have very much for enemies myself since I'm so stinky. Except, of course, for being cold and hungry all winter. There aren't any Japanese beetle grubs, and there aren't any turtle eggs. The only thing I can find to eat sometimes is just bark and twigs. Ugh.
Well, I know there isn't much to eat in the winter, but still you can play in the snow. Come on, let's play. Yee!
Wahoo. You know what I do when it gets all cold and snowy?
What?
Well, since I can't hibernate the way Johnny Chuck does, here's what I do. I put my nose on my belly button, like this, and then I curl into a ball, and I sleep for as long as I can. But then the same noise wakes me up every time. You know what that was?
Sounded like a bear.
Yeah, sounded like a bear, but it wasn't. It was my stomach.
Your stomach?
Yeah. After a couple days without any food, my stomach gets so hungry that it growls. So I have to get up and drag myself out and feed it bark and twigs. Ugh.
Oh, come on, let's play, Jimmy Skunk.
Nah, I think maybe I'll go practice my sleeping.
Oh, that's no fun.
You want to bet?
Wish I could play with Whitefoot the Woodmouse. He lives in a nest buried under the ground. But now that everything's all covered up with snow, he'll never come out. I know it. He's probably in his little house, all snuggled. Ah, there you are, Whitefoot. Hi. Hi, Peter Rabbit. Would you like to play today? Well, I'd like to play, but I'm scared. What are you afraid of? I'm afraid of everything. But mostly, I'm afraid of Reddy Fox. I'm scared of him, too. He's always sneaking around trying to get me. Reddy Fox is always sneaking around trying to find my nest. It's tough being a mouse. I have to watch out for foxes and wolves and weasels and coyotes and bears and cats and dogs and hawks and owls. Oh dear, that sounds like Hooty Owl. Oh my goodness, I better get back to my nest. You better go home. Uh-oh, here comes Hooty Owl. Hey, Whitefoot! Whitefoot! You can come out now! Shh, Peter! Why are you making so much noise? Hooty Owl is circling around looking for her dinner. Why didn't you go home to the briar patch? I wanted to go home, but Hooty Owl flies so fast she would have caught me. So I played a trick on her. What did you do? I was very, very still and very quiet, and Hooty Owl didn't see me. Oh, that's a good trick. When you don't move, the other animals won't notice you. But you better watch out. Hooty is hungry, and she has very keen eyes. She's coming. You better go home. Uh-oh.
Is that you, Hooty Owl?
Of course it's me, Reddy Fox. Who does it look like, Johnny Giraffe?
I heard you hooting, and whenever you hoot, it means you've found something to eat.
Well, so what if I did? I certainly don't plan to share with you.
Ah, come on, Hooty Owl. I'm a hungry fox. I haven't eaten anything in 3 days.
Tough cookies.
Hooty, I want to know who you found so we can share it for dinner.
Share? Ha! All I saw was that puny, measly little Whitefoot the Woodmouse when he ran into his nest. And when he comes out, I plan to eat the entire little rodent for my luncheon.
Whitefoot the Woodmouse, eh? I think we could share the little fellow. You may have the tail.
What?
And I'll have the rest.
Reddy Fox, you are making so much noise that mouse will never come out of his nest. I am going to look elsewhere, where the hunting is a bit more pleasant.
Good. And I'll eat up the little mousey of it. Get away from me. Get out of here, you buzzard! You bird! I'll find the mouse. I knew his nest was around here. I'll just sniff around and see if I can smell him. Hey, you know what I smell? You know what I smell? I smell a rabbit. Is there a rabbit around here? Ah, come on, kids. I can smell a rabbit. I'll follow his scent. I'll get you.
No!
I'll get you. Where'd he go? Wait. I'll play a trick on him. Now listen, kids. Don't tell the rabbit where I'm hiding. Just sit there and be quiet. You do exactly what I tell you, because I'm the boss around here. Okay. Now listen, kids. I told you, just sit there and be quiet. I want to catch the bunny, and I want you to be quiet and let me catch him. All right, so just sit there and don't say a word, because I'm the boss. So you had to tell him again, huh? I suppose y'all think you're pretty funny, huh? Well, you ain't funny, kids. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to catch the little mousey instead. I'll find the back door to his nest and scratch him out. Hey, Whitefoot, come on out. It's doomsday for the mouses. I'll get you, you little rat.
Oh, boys and girls, Reddy Fox is going to find my nest. I know it. Oh, I've got to find a new place to live. Oh, I'm scared. Don't tell him where I'm going. Here he comes. Oh dear. Oh. Girls and boys, I was running through the snowy forest when all of a sudden I found this old deserted shed. I had to creep under the door to get in here. Reddy Fox could never fit under the door. Hey, what's that? Wow, look at this. An old pile of wood. Ooh, I could build a new nest underneath this wood pile. I'll gather up some straw and dried grass and build a nest and stay here for the rest of the winter. I'll be right back. Built way under the wood pile. I even have some seeds that I can save in my nest for supper. Ooh. I'll spend the rest of the winter right here. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Someone's coming. Oh, no. I better get back into my nest. Someone's coming.
Do-dee-dum, dum, dee-do-dee-do-dee-dum, dee-do-dee-dum, dee-dee-dum, dum, do-dee-do-dee-dum, dee-do-dee-dum, dee-dee. Oh, hi. I remember you. Remember me, Farmer Brown's boy? Yeah. You know what this place is? This is the shed where my mom and dad keep stuff for when they make maple syrup. But you know what I like best about this place? Well, see, every winter little animals come in here to get away from like foxes and weasels and everything. And you know what I like to do with them? Make friends. I give them stuff to eat, and sometimes
They get so used to me I can even watch them eat. I wonder if there are any animals living in here this winter. There is? What? A mouse! Where? Ooh, under here? Do you think he needs somebody to be friends with him? I could take care of him. Hey! Oh, I got a piece of bread. It's right outside. I just go out and get it. I'll be right. I'm going to give him that bread. It's good bread. It's whole wheat bread and it's got seeds in it. If you see that mouse, you could tell him that it's for him. I'll come back later and see if he nibbled on it. Bye. Who was that? Farmer's boy? Gave me some bread? Woo! Wow. What kind of bread is this? Yeah, it's got seeds in it. Ooh. You know what I'm going to do with the bread? I'm going to hide it in my nest and save it for later. Mice like to save stuff. Uh-oh, here he comes again. I'm back. Hey, it's gone. Did he like it?
Yeah. She took it.
Huh?
She took it and saved it.
Oh, you mean like to save it for later?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That way he ate it when he's hungry. Hey, guess what I brought for him this time?
Cheese.
Yeah, you know what kind? It's cheddar. I'll put it right in the same place. That way, if he's sniffing around it, it'll be easier for him to find it. Oh, but guess what? Guess what? My mom and dad are starting to make maple syrup. So they told me to come in here and get like small pieces of wood to start the fire. Oh, here's a good piece here. I'll take this piece and I'll give it to my mom and dad. And then maybe I can get more cheese for the mouse. Yeah, I know, but I don't think he needs the piece on the top. It's just this little piece. I'll be back.
He left.
He left? He left cheese? Ooh, what kind? Ooh, hey, do you like cheddar? I love it. I like all kinds of cheese. I love cheese so much, I'm going to eat the cheese right now. Oh, that was delicious. Hope he brings me some more. Here he comes. Here he comes. No, I'm scared of him.
I'm back. I got some more cheese for the mouse. Guess what kind this is? Yep, it is. He did? Did he like it? Oh, good. This is the most fun because I'm helping my mom and dad and I'm making friends with a mouse. I'll just get another piece of wood for the fire. And then I'll come back later. Bye.
He left some. Ooh, that's Swiss cheese, isn't it? Yeah, I can tell because it's got holes in it. Ooh, do you like Swiss cheese? Yeah. Well, I like all kinds of cheese. I'm going to eat up the Swiss cheese right now. Oh, that was yummy. Oh. Uh-oh. Look at this. He's taking wood from the wood pile. Boys and girls, is that boy trying to get me? He's trying to be friends with me? Well, how come he's taking the wood from my wood pile? Oh, I think he wants to take the wood so he can find my nest and get me. He wants to make friends. Will you ask him not to take any more wood? Here he comes. Here he comes.
I'm back. Did the mouse tell you to say that?
Yes.
What's the matter? Oh. Oh. Well, I know, but I'm not going to hurt him. I'm going to take care of him and be friends. I got more cheese for him.
He's scared.
He's scared of me? But I'm not hurting him. I just want to be his friend. Well, tell the mouse that I promise I won't hurt him. I will protect him. I got more cheese for him. You know what kind? Yep, it's American. Boy, you got a sharp eye. I'm going to put it right there. But don't worry, I already took the plastic stuff off it so he won't get sick. I'm going to just take this piece of wood. But I have to. If I don't, I might get in trouble. So what? I don't want to get in trouble. My mom and dad said they'd take me to see 101 Dalmatians, and if I get in trouble, they won't take me. I didn't see it yet. Just tell the mouse that I promise I won't hurt him. Tell him I'll take care of him. I'll work out something, I don't know. Oh, he took more wood from the wood pile.
He'll get in trouble.
He'll get in trouble. He left more cheese?
He said he won't hurt you.
What kind of cheese is this? Oh, I love American cheese, but I'm not going to eat it. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave it there and go back into the snowy forest. I think that boy wants to get me.
No, he said he promised he won't hurt you.
Maybe,
He won't hurt you.
well, maybe I'll sneak back here later to get the seeds out of my nest.
He won't hurt you.
I'm scared of them.
I'm back. I got some more. Hey, he didn't like American?
He likes it, but he wants it. He's gonna come out. He can get it later.
What do you mean come back?
He's gonna come back later. He's afraid of you.
Yeah. Well, where did he go?
In the forest.
The forest? No, wait. He's gonna get hurt out there. Mouse, wait. Mouse, don't go in the forest. The fox will get you or the weasels. No, Mouse, don't. Oh, no. I can't see where he went. He went under the snow and I can't see his tracks or anything. And now he's going to get hurt in the forest and it's all my fault. And you probably all hate me now. You know?
He said he'll promise come back and get the cheese.
He is?
Yes.
Hey, I just got an idea. Last winter, I made friends with a squirrel that was living in here, and I made a house for him. The squirrel is gone, so I could give the house to the mouse. Yeah. I'll just take this out to my mom and dad, because they told me to get it. And I'll be right back. Mom, Dad, here's that wood. Gotta go back in here. Did he come back yet?
No.
Oh. I'll go get that house out.
You are too fast.
I was too. Yeah, I'm pretty speedy. I'll go get the house. Down in the back. Oh, no. Covered with canvas tarps and stuff. Ugh, heavy. Ugh. Oh, no. Ugh. I got it. Here it is. Yeah, it is. Well, maybe you're bigger than I am. What do you think? Thanks. Hey, I'm gonna put this cheese in there, and that way, if the mouse is sniffing around, he'll smell the cheese and go in there, and then maybe decide he likes it, because he can have this house as long as he wants. I'll come back later and check on him. If you see that house, would you tell him it's for him? Thanks.
House is for me?
Yeah. He left some cheese here.
They left cheese? Wow, that's a neat house. Ooh. Hey, it's got a door, and inside is my nest and cheese and bread and straw. Should I try the house out? Okay. It's got a nice doorway. Ooh. It's got a back door, a window, skylight. I'll eat some of the cheese in there. Oh, it's cozy in here.
Did he come back yet?
Yeah. In the house.
Oh. Oh, I just saw his little pink nose. There he is again. Oh, he's cute. Hey, maybe he'll take this cheese out of my hand. Tell him not to be afraid. Here, Mouse. Got cheese for you.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
You want to be a friend.
I do, yeah. I won't hurt you either at all. He took it. He took the cheese right out of my hand. Are we friends now, Mouse? I think he's nodding. Goodbye. I'll bring you some cheese tomorrow. I think he's clapping. Goodbye, Mouse. See ya. Goodbye, everybody.
Girls and boys, now I have a friend and a house and plenty of food to eat. I'll spend the rest of the winter right here. What's that? Oh, I better get in my house. Someone's coming.
Together at last at twilight time. Out of the mist your voice is calling. It's twilight time.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Whitefoot the Woodmouse.
My name is Roseanne.
Oh, you're pretty, Roseanne.
Oh, thank you. I think you are very handsome.
Thanks. Roseanne?
Yes?
Will you marry me?
Ooh. Do you think I should marry to him? Is he a good boy? Okay.
Oh, good. We can live here in this beautiful house.
I love the house. And in the spring, if we have baby mice, I will make a new nest for them in there. Okay. Okay.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Now you sit there, you can say hi to the funny people gonna come out.